Organizing your thoughts, the art of subtopics. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of outlining, a crucial step in the writing process. More specifically, we'll focus on organizing subtopics. Have you ever felt overwhelmed with too many ideas? Fret not. Organizing subtopics can be your lifesaver. A subtopic is a specific point or idea that supports your main topic or argument. Imagine your main topic as a tree. The branches stemming from that tree? Those are your subtopics. They give shape, structure, and clarity to your writing, allowing you to present your thoughts in an organized manner. 1. Clarity and organization. Subtopics help break down complex ideas into manageable chunks. This not only aids in clarity for your readers but also makes the writing process smoother for you. 2. Flow and cohesion. Organizing your subtopics ensures a logical progression in your writing, leading your reader from one idea to the next seamlessly. 3. Focus. It's easy to go off on a tangent. By identifying subtopics, you can stay centered on your main theme and avoid straying. 1. Brainstorm. Start by jotting down every idea or point you want to cover related to your main topic. 2. Group similar ideas. Once you have your list, look for common themes or related ideas. These clusters become your subtopics. 3. Prioritize. Decide on the order in which you'll present your subtopics. Which points provide foundational knowledge? Which ones are more advanced? Arrange them logically. 4. Use headings and subheadings. In your outline, use headings for your main topic and subheadings for your subtopics. This visual structure will guide your writing process. 5. Refine and condense. Don't be afraid to merge, divide, or even discard some subtopics as you refine your outline. Remember, the goal is clarity and coherence. There you have it. Organizing subtopics is an art that can elevate your writing from good to great. Remember, every great piece of writing starts with a strong outline. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and process of organizing your subtopics. Happy writing!